Alright, there we go. A good shot of welding practice. That's still set. 90 amps. 6013. Put your helmet down. See if I can maintain a halfway straight line this time. Hard to do since all the first ones are crooked as heck. Long. Just let my arc get too long. You see, that part of the slag is behaving quite nicely. It flakes off by itself. That's a good sign. But I know my arc was too long at times, my speed was too fast at times. I was all over the place. Stubborn piece of slag, I think. There between the two welds where I can get one in there. But that one does look a heck of a lot better than the last one. And I didn't leave a crater at the end, so that's good. Now, so for my fourth bead ever with an arc, stick welder, I'm starting to see some improvement. That's good. You should have these on underneath there just in case you notice that you didn't. Let's try an experiment, just because manufacturer says this stuff should not run at least not very well with this, which means with a novice like me behind it, it shouldn't run at all. And I have no idea how old it is. Stuff that was given to me, but it's not. Not a very easy one to run, and this machine supposedly doesn't do it very well. And that's what the manufacturer says, so if they say it won't run very well, it should be funny to watch me do it. Okay, put it down. I'm going to try and run it down this edge, but I don't know where I'll be able to see the edge. Well, it doesn't want to light off, that's for sure. Turn the arc force up. Okay. I'd say that's a successful demonstration, but it does not run very well at all. At least not nowhere near as easy as the other stuff. Manufacturer sent 4 sticks of that 6013 that I was running there with the welder. Freebie. And this is stuff I bought at Home Depot with an electric 6013. Different colored flux on the outside. Alright. Here we go again. Ready? Yep. I'm just having a hard time. After that, it's live. Duh. Hey. There. Tough stick. You're shooting right in the way of the camera right there. Slide doesn't come up near as easy with this brand. But definitely a thicker slide building on the Lincoln. Not too terrible. Reasonably straight along the edge there. I got a little fast towards the end. And I got a little fast right there because I pulled it forward because I was hung there too long and the puddle started to sag over the edge. Learn the delicate balance between going too fast and going too slow. Yeah. Alright. Go down. Let's try a different angle, maybe. Maybe a slightly different angle on this to make it easier for me to control. little close with my face, I noticed. Bad. I could live with that. I know I long knocked it a couple of times and a little fast right through there, but there's a lot of improvement from my first few that are buried down in lumpy, nasty things. Alright, let's try one more. That angle, angling it back like that, of course, still a little better. Let's try and run one right up. Whoa, man! What did I do there? Well, that was stupid. I just flashed myself. I didn't have my foot down. Luckily, I'm not seeing any stars or anything. Good. Hopefully my UV protective safety glasses helped a little there. Yeah. Alright. I gotta clean that off though. Burn spot there. Just gonna clean it off just a little bit. Alright. Come on. Off. There we go. Light. That section slab bead is a lot easier. I ran that one right down in the bead groove between these two other beads, and beads weren't exactly straight to begin with, but I managed to hold it almost straight. So, these are all my beads for today. Started off up here, then with a couple of them, and then went down here and worked my way back. The last one's this V right up the middle of the others. Not fantastic, definitely, but not horribly embarrassing. And I think that's it for today.